Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make peach crumble with canned peaches. First, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Lightly grease an 8x8-inch baking dish. Drain two 15-ounce cans of sliced peaches thoroughly and spread them evenly in the prepared dish. This ensures a good base for your delicious crumble topping. Now, let's create that irresistible crumble topping. In a medium bowl, whisk together 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 1/4 cup of packed brown sugar, and 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Next, cut in 6 tablespoons of cold, unsalted butter using a pastry blender or your fingertips until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs. You can also mix in 1/2 cup of rolled oats for added texture. Once your topping is ready, sprinkle it generously and evenly over the drained peaches in your baking dish. Make sure the peaches are fully covered for that perfect crumble-to-fruit ratio. Place the dish in your preheated 375-degree Fahrenheit oven and bake for 30 to 35 minutes. Look for a golden brown, bubbly filling and a wonderfully crisp topping. This indicates it's perfectly cooked. After baking, let your peach crumble cool for at least 15 minutes. This allows the filling to set slightly, making it easier to serve. It's absolutely delicious served warm with a generous scoop of vanilla ice cream or a dollop of fresh whipped cream. For a perfect reading companion, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Any leftovers can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Enjoy this comforting dessert.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.